Hey guys, welcome back to another fan destruction. This is destruction number 82, and what we got here today is this Hampton Bay landmark that has been painted fucking gray. This is also followed up by Matthew. This looks amazing. Yeah. That's nice. I don't know. This is like, what the hell were you even thinking? This looks awful. Silver. I'm gonna save these bulbs though, but used to be white, and it just looks like shit. So we're gonna smash it today. So yeah, let's see what this thing can do. Okay, folks, for reference, this is not me beating up the fan. This is my girlfriend doing this. Oh my god! Okay, let me in.
What'd you do?
Trip the breaker.
Yeah, you did.
Is mom mad?
I actually don't know if mom's home or not.
Alright, we tripped the breaker, but we have seemed to have destroyed it. Oh yeah. Right there. Arced out. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this disaster. Anyways, I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.